Hi guys, welcome. My name is Ron Heller and thank you for coming to my website. I'm recording this short message just to let you know that I'm here to advise you on your web results. If you're here, you're probably not very satisfied with your results as they are so far with your website, with your Facebook page, with your Instagram account, with your YouTube channel, whatever it is you have online that's supposed to generate traffic, leads, and goodwill to your business. It's not working so well at the moment. You're probably getting most of your business from just recommendations, which is fine, but we need to have this web presence working for you consistently, and so you have a reliable source of leads to your business. So what I'd like to do with you now is that you just fill out the form below this video. There's a little form, just your name, email, telephone number, best time to call. Just very short form, fill it out. We'll have a 15-minute chat about your business. I'm going to have a good look at your site and at your other web assets and your web presence in the search engines, and give you some very precise and specific recommendations on how you can enhance the performance of your entire web presence. It's kind of a wide thing. It's not just a website. It's your YouTube, it's your Facebook, it's your Google presence, it's your reviews. There are lots of elements that coexist together to create that online presence of yours. And if the elements in that presence are not working well and are not correlating well, then your web presence will be poor. And that's too bad because you're just losing business over that because your competitors are revamping their web presence and you should too. So fill out the little form below this video. We'll have a 15 minute chat about your business. Not going to hard sell you anything. I'm just going to give you some very valuable tips based on my 15 years of experience about your business. And you can take those tips and implement them yourself or have someone you know implement them. I don't mind. I mean, that's kind of thing I do, just give this advice for business owners. And if after that call you will be inclined to, we can discuss the possibility of us working together to implement this for you. So I look forward to talking to you. Fill out the fields below this video and talk to you soon. I'm Ron Heller and talk to you soon. Bye.